Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having an awesome week. I am so excited about today's video. This is my Valentine's inspired makeup look for 2018. It's been forever since I've had the time to sit down and film a YouTube video, and I miss it so much. So I'm actually filming 3 videos today. I hope you guys enjoy today's tutorial. I wasn't quite sure exactly what direction I wanted to go in, but I was kind of in the mood for something cool toned, something lighter on the lips and more dramatic on the eyes, but still soft and feminine. So again, this is the look that I came up with, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you would like to see the tutorial for this face right here, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. As you may be able to tell, I already have my foundation on, and I just went ahead and did that off camera just to save a little bit of time. But just so you know, I used the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. This primer is kind of new to me. I've been using it for about a week. So far, I really enjoy it. And then for foundation, I'm using the new Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in shade Medium Sand, and I also am doing a full review slash demo for this product today. So that's the reason why I already have my makeup on. But if you do want to see my foundation routine, I will go ahead and link that tutorial video for you guys in the comments below, as well as my current eyebrow routine if you want to see that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in by starting with my under eye. And today I'm actually going to be mixing the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Fair Neutral with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in shade Light. So here's what they look like side by side. As you can tell, the one from Tarte is much lighter and it's a lot more full coverage. So I'm just going to be applying a very small amount of the Tarte Shape Tape, because with this concealer, a little bit really goes a long way. And then I'm just going to kind of mix that in with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I've really been liking this combination lately. I just feel like it's the perfect amount of coverage, and the formulas blend together really well. To buff that in, I'm using the Beauty Sponge from Morphe. This is, I think, the highlight and contour sponge. Been really loving this lately to apply my foundation and my concealer, and then anytime that I want to do any bronzing or baking, the very condensed straight tip is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and set the under eye area with a little bit of banana powder out of the Wet n Wild contour palette. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that banana powder and lightly press it into the skin. I'm also going to take that same banana powder and use it to kind of set the eye area for my eyeshadow today. I already have a layer of foundation on, so this is kind of just the extra step that I do before I go in and apply eyeshadow. And I found that it really makes my eyeshadows blend in a whole lot better. I actually end up using less product, and it stays put all day. I don't have to worry about creasing. And all I do is just pop on a little bit of banana powder over top my foundation, over my eyelids, and that's really all I do as far as priming them before I use any eyeshadow. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to go on to the fun part, and that is eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be exclusively using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I just felt like it's super appropriate for Valentine's Day, just because of all the romantic shades in here. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit, so sorry if this close-up is a little bit scary, but hopefully this will allow you guys to see the eyeshadows better. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and highlight under the brow bone area, and I'm going to go in with this metallic shimmery pink shade called Veneer. Then I'm going to go into this lavender shade called Bon Fresco, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid area as my transitional color. Now I'm going to go into Venetian Red, and I'm going to be applying that a little bit tighter in the crease, and this is going to be my regular crease color. Now for my overall lid color, I'm going to go in with the shade Golden Ochre, and it's just a matte, kind of like a banana powder shade, but I'm going to be applying this to my whole lid, and then I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer later on. Okay, now for the outer crease, I'm going to go in with the shade Antique Bronze, and I'm going to just apply this to the outer crease area. Now I'm going to apply a tiny bit of shimmer to the middle of the eyelid. I'm going to go in with the shade Primavera, so it's this golden shimmer metallic shade, and I'm going to be applying that with my middle finger. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner, and today I am using the Kitten eyeliner from Tarte, and this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara. Today I'm using the new mascara from Maybelline. This is their Total Temptation mascara. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm actually going to go back to the shade Bon Fresco, and I'm going to just lightly stamp that under my entire lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with the Venetian Red and layer that over top, kind of just lightly stamping that on. Still using the same brush with the shade Antique Bronze, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer portion of the lower lash line. So zooming you guys back out, that is it for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the look by adding some bronzer and blush, etc. And yes, I did actually end up changing. After all, this is a Valentine's Day look, so I'm just wearing this little blush sweater and blush necklace, and I feel like it really complements this particular eye look that we have going on here. I'm using an oldie but a goodie. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I think this is their darkest shade. It's the Deep Tan Matte Bronzer. For blush today, I am going to go in with my Laura Geller blush in Brighten in shade Boysenberry, and here is of what it looks like. For highlight today, I'm using the newer highlight palette highlighter from e.l.f., and this is from YouTube's very own Heart Defensor. So here is what it looks like, and as you can see, there's two pans, and I'm actually going to be using both. I'm just going to be mixing them together. I'm going to go in with the darker shade first. And then now I'm going to go in with the lighter shade to really make this highlight shine into outer space. Kind of apply that to my inner eye and under the brow bone, just for that extra pop. To top off the look, I'm going to be going in with the new to me Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Here is what it looks like. And for lips today, I'm going to be going in with the liquid lipstick from Makeup Forever, and this is shade, number on there is 105. So here is the color. I love that it's just like a really pretty mauve-y nude. I feel like it matches my sweater perfectly. To complete the look, this next part is totally optional, but I am feeling some false lashes today with this look. I have a lash set that I got from Tarte. It's part of the Kitten Squad lash and line set. So this is actually what the packaging looks like. The eyeliner that I was using earlier today actually came as part of that set. So here is what the lashes look like. And it also comes with some lash adhesive, and I'm going to quickly pop these on and I will be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This blush slash soft feminine Valentine's inspired makeup look. If you end up recreating this look, please tag me on my social media. I would love to see your version. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to see more fun tutorial looks like this one today. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the day or night, whatever time it is for you, and I'll see you right back here in my next video. Bye.